Hi guys, good evening. Let's start in a bit. Yes, Satya.
Yeah, I have uh, so many questions actually.
So
Uh,
Regarding,
is this a doubt clearing session?
not specifically. What's it? What I okay? Just start with other topics that you want to discuss on.
so should I ask it now or what?
Let's wait a bit for this to join, since they might have the same. But can you just give me context on which topics is it? Is it GA4?
No, sir. It is actually general. I am having problem of. In every program we have to access the that API key, right, from the system variable.
Not really.
I mean, wherever I'm using the API call, that
Hmm.
is where the API key I need. But I am having so much problem accessing that. I can't. This is a very. I'm in a big trouble actually.
Okay.
So the
We'll get into
questions.
that then.
Okay, so
Just
the question. Yeah, what, sir?
yeah, you can carry on, carry on.
Okay, so the question is that API client thing. Can I use it with the AI pipe?
Yeah, API
I mean,
client, which one?
API clients like LangChain and OpenAI
Yeah.
agent.
So a LangChain is just a framework, okay? And
Okay.
API key is, let's say, the thing that gives you access to the
Yeah,
models.
that
Okay.
is different. Matlab, I mean, that was first question, but this is a different problem because if I can use that agent framework with the AI pipe, then I'll have to configure the code because the free API keys are not. I mean, it exceeds the limit very easily.
For AI, okay. So for what purpose do you need it right now?
To like, let's say that GA3 problem that says if we sentiment analysis. So for that,
But it should not exceed your limits, and especially not
yeah.
LangChain. It should
Oh,
be. It's like
yeah,
one.
I'm actually trying so much of. I'm using that very. In
We have.
every situation, so it is exceeding. And I don't know
Okay.
our OpenAI API key how much it is freely. How
Can
much
you
is it?
just show me your screen once? Share your screen.
Yeah, just a second. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, yeah. This is visible.
So the problem I'm having, let's see, yeah, everything. I'm checking if it is working or not, but the limit is
Mm,
there. But
just a second. Can you just open it in code?
open it.
Okay, a second. Go down. Stable version of Gemini 2.5. Uh, uh, uh,
This
uh,
is the
uh, uh,
Gemini token I'm using.
Let me just go down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, the thing is, I think just go up now. Up, up, up. I want to see the URL now.
Okay,
Uh,
I'm
Yeah,
fine.
you are not using the right URL as well. See, if you are seeing that it's a V1 hyphen V1 slash models. We
No,
want
for
to
this I was checking if the API key is. If is it valid. That is why
mm-hmm,
querying this URL. If
mm-hmm.
it gives me the model name, then that means it is valid. I'm just checking. I was checking. That's why this thing I was. Uh,
Okay, now do one thing. Test it out once.
uh,
2.5 is 2.5 Flash. Both are available. Not yet, Alak. We'll try to get something this week by Wednesday. On Wednesday, probably we'll get something. Okay, so Satya, currently, what's your problem?
Currently, sir, I'm having problem of using that API thing to be,
Okay,
I mean,
show me your code
broadly.
base.
Which one, sir?
Show me your code base where you're using the CPI key.
Uh, Let me just. Okay, let me stop sharing just for a second.
Yeah, sure. Just set it up and
Yeah,
show
yeah.
it, okay? There's no hard and fast rule. If anyone else has any questions, you can go ahead. For this session, I was planning to take a session on basically pull requests, merge, and rebase, all of those things regarding GitHub and version control. But if you guys have questions, we can make it a doubt session as well. We can go either way.
Are you going to discuss some weak for concept?
Not really. I am actually taking this session mainly for project one question three because it's for a PR, right? And also like I want to give you guys like an insight. But we can make this session a doubt session as well. I have no problems with that. We can take some time and try debugging code. Okay, so one thing I realize just from here itself is you have not used a Gemini API key. You are using an OpenAI API key,
Yeah,
right?
in this code, I was using that.
Can you just turn off the Chrome tab? Chrome thing. It's like occupying half your screen. So yeah, take
Okay.
it off. Yeah, just to try to make this full. Okay, now try to run the script.
Hmm. Okay.
Mm, Hey Satya, don't you have a code editor? Okay, you do have VS Code. I see it down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Okay. Let me.
Running the script.
It is,
Are you using Ubuntu?
no, Mint. Yeah, Ubuntu.
Oh, oh, Ubuntu Mint. Yeah.
And this thing is Mint.
I suggest you I suggest you one thing if you're using terminal a lot, check out
ZSH.
fish
And the spelling is F.
fish. So
Okay.
basically what it does is in VS Code you've realized you'll have the code completions, right, whenever you try writing code.
Hmm.
In terminal it does the same thing. It'll just predict your auto completion. So right now it would predict me the uvicon main to app reload and all of that. So basically it saves you time.
Okay, in this it is showing. I mean, actually, this is our. This is actually the uh, AI pipe. That thing, uh, AI
Mhm.
token actually. So, oh no,
Mm,
sorry. This is
mm,
the
mm,
OpenAI token.
I don't think we set the token that way for AI pipe.
No.
Just
I'm sorry. Yeah, it is for the OpenAI key.
open
That.
AI. Okay, so are you using the AI pipe token or are you using the?
Let me show you how I have.
Okay.
So, yeah, these are the
Export
things you
open
have.
AI API. Okay, so you do have the open. Uh, okay, you are using open API. Is it an open API key, like the one
Uh,
that you pay for?
OpenAI key. Yeah, and that it was the OpenAI key.
Okay, so are you buying this from somewhere? Open API key
No,
from
I have just generated that from their dashboard. This
Okay.
thing is wrong. I should export it.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I have just done it. Just
Hey,
5 minutes.
um, mm, 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 mm. I can show you an easier way to do this actually, Satya. It's
Yes, please.
just I'm just confirming this script, whatever you have written. This one is purely AI generated, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So there's no harm in having AI generated scripts. In fact, we encourage that, but it's making things a lot more complicated. Okay.
Okay.
So let me just get started with the session. So I'll just address this issue as well,
Yes, sir.
right? Just be, let's say, collaborative with me in this one. So basically, whatever you're doing, I'll
And
be making
one
a.
more issue, sir. Sir,
Uh-huh.
yesterday's session I cannot see it in the anywhere actually, in the
Mm-hmm.
YouTube and as well
It
as
has
in
not been, what do you call it, uploaded, by the way.
where, sir?
I don't think it has been uploaded to YouTube right now.
So, sir, see, the situation is so tight. I mean, the GA deadline is tomorrow. If we cannot access the video in 2 4 days, so how can it be?
I think just let me check the group once, okay? I think Javraj is uploading it right now as we speak. If not, I'll just giving a ping right now and right here. Okay, so Javraj will be uploading it. Yeah, by today you'll be having it.
Sir, why we are not streaming the live class? Means it will directly upload to the YouTube.
Yeah,
Good question. Actually, I'll actually bring that up with the instructor. We've never thought of that as well. Thanks for bringing that up. We'll surely discuss with the instructor about this one. Okay, and we'll try to get something back on this. Dishant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll try to get something on this. Okay. Okay. Satya, should I get started?
yes, sir, yes, sir, please.
Let me just 1 second. I bring this tab over here and then. Mm, 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 Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me go to the very end. Okay, now so uh, 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 where do I start from? Let's start from. Let's go to the browser itself first. Okay, I think my browser is okay. Yeah, and let's go to Google AI Studio and get the API key from there. Okay, I think that will be our first step. Let's switch my account because student ID seems to be a bit freaky when it comes to logging into projects. Let's get the API key, and yep, the API key is here with me. Now let's try to test this API key. I can just go over here and I'll see the documentation. Okay, so yeah, I'll be able to see this documentation over here, and I want to see this one. Yeah, so let me just test this API key once and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so let me just open my terminal. My terminal went a bit off the screen. Just a second. I don't want to do this. I want it to be minimized. That I want this to come here. And okay. Let me copy this, paste it over here, and let me Mm, mm, let me test this first, okay? If this API key works or not. So as you can see, this API key is working, right? Folks, I need you guys with me on this one. I don't want to be, let's say, be a bit lonely in this session. So
No,
I
no,
have retrieved,
no,
sorry,
it is okay.
right? It's okay, right? So I will be taking
When
this
we will
API.
when we will copy that code and paste on our terminal, then I'm pasting the API key, then that
Yeah.
will respond. That terminal will respond. Is it?
The terminal is sending a request. It's just a request that's being sent.
Okay.
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 And now what I'll do is, let me just not. I don't
Where,
want to.
where the output is coming, the API key you are showing.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
output is over here. The API
Okay.
key is
This.
over here.
Okay. This is the OP. Yeah, okay. One.
Yeah. All right. So let's now go to. Let's create a new directory. Hey Satya, by the way, I was mentioning about that, right? Fish. So it's basically this. It basically lets me whatever I type. Let's say type cat, right? It'll just predict my next thing. So
Kindly increase slightly font size, sir. Very
yeah,
small.
sure, sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
please.
So
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah. So as you can see, this one actually predicts all of my like whatever I type, it'll predict. So I won't have to like go back and do history and like get things back. So this makes more sense to me. Okay, so right now let me just activate Conda, activate VNV. I'm just activating my virtual environment, and I'll install Flask and Google Generative AI. It will generate and do this for me. Should work in an instance now. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let me just do code. Open this up and let me just create a main.py. Main.py. Paste this code. Okay, so this code I've generated from I think I generated from GPT or Claudia. So this one is it similar to your code, Satya?
Yes, sir.
Right. So over here I'll just create a .env file, and over here I'll just get my Gemini API key over here. Hey guys, just one moment, okay? I'll come back. Just 1 second. Can you give me guys 5 minutes? I'll just come back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just
No issue. No
just
issue.
just a second. Hi guys, I'm sorry. I had problems at work. Let me share my screen again. Hey Harsh. Someone is taking TDS live sessions regularly. Yeah, there's around 3 to 4 sessions a week. One thing I want to ask that do we do get? Yeah, do we do get subscriptions of not subscription, but we do get a proxy token from AI proxy. That's the only thing we get from now. And regarding pro models, I think you can get GPT plus for free right now. I think it's 1 rupee or something. No, maybe it's free, maybe it's 1 rupee, not really sure. But yeah, I think I have GPT plus. So hey, mm, I'm back, right? So over here, what I will do is to answer your question, Satya. Right, this is the Gemini API key which I'll be configuring over here. Okay, I'll just copy paste my Gemini API key over here, Gemini API key, and then what I'll do is I'll just import from. Let me just download it first. Okay, I think I have it already. Pip install load env. Yeah, I don't have it. I have installed load env from .env. We load it. Oh, sorry, it wasn't load env. It was .env actually. .env. Yeah, I have it now. I have downloaded it, and also I will load it now. So I think it's just load env. Yeah, this will just load it. Okay. So I don't need this as well, I guess. Gemini API key. Go. Not really needed. This one is not really. I think I'll just let me code Gemini API key. Gemini. Yeah, only this is needed. Right. So now what is happening is from this env file, right? In the terminal, how do we do it? I think it's set env something, right? Export.
So could you go
Export.
back
This.
to
Yeah,
that
this is
code?
how we do it, right? Sorry.
Could you go back to that code?
Yeah.
So in
So
this
basically,
case, we are not. I mean, we are not getting the Gemini key from the OS. It is
it's
already there because we are
no,
loading
no,
the .env.
some it's basically the same thing, right? So over here, instead of doing export Gemini API
I've
key
also
every time.
done the same thing for the virtual environment. I've done similarly. I mean, like Bash RC, I have saved every Gemini key. I mean, every key there, and instead of loading in the program, I am just sourcing that .env
But every time you need to set
before
it, right?
running the, yeah,
Yeah.
before running the
Every time
code.
you need to set it, which is a bit
But
of
in
a
this
hassle.
case, you are not. Why you are? I mean, that OS dot that thing you are doing.
Because it's inside it's loaded inside this now OS load env. I have to load
Okay.
it from over here. No, it's inside my terminal. That's why, not
Okay.
terminal. But yeah, it's a like see if I see the commands get env, get environment variable. That's why. Okay, now one thing I can do is, let's say I'm saying my secret key. Okay, super secret. Okay, now let's create an endpoint. Okay, so app dot route dot route. Okay, secret. Okay, method get, and yeah, it will just be my secret key. Okay, get my secret key. That's it. And yeah, so now if I run this file, python main.py, and if I do mm, e, yeah, if I just go over here and do secret, see, I'll see the same value that it is over here. See my secret super secret value. Since we are loading this in over here, are you seeing this, Satya? So it's an
Yes.
easier way to get things done. Like your bash SRC, it's like a huge chunk of code, right? It's just one, like you'll define your API key over here, and over here you have the you load the env and you get it from here, and you can just plug it in anywhere. Now what I can do is I can chat with it like at any time. So do I want to do it over here itself? I mean, we can do that. Let's use Postman. Do I have Postman on this system? Postman. Extensions. Postman. Not really sure if I have Postman over here. No, I don't have Postman. I don't think so. Flask supports API docs, right? I think only Fast API does that. Yeah, Fast doesn't support API docs. Okay, so what we can do is we can write curl test cases for this. Do we want to do that? Okay, so the basic task I wanted to give you was uh, mm, the basic task I wanted to give you was we'll have a system prompt, okay, and a user prompt, okay, and we'll just define the system prompt over here, okay, system prompt dot txt, okay, and over here will be our user prompt, user message, and all of these things. I don't want all of these things right now. Let me just endpoint with system prompt and user message, system prompt dot txt. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't really want this. One thing I'm not sure of is how will I okay, so let me just find a simpler way to do this thing. Dot oh, just 1 second, I did not import earlier. Import system. Where am I going wrong? Okay. Yeah. Now let's create a GitHub for this. GitHub. Okay, and I'll tell you guys how we create pull requests. Okay. So, Satya, are you clear with the part of how to load in A and B variables?
Yeah, sir. Kind of. I will try and see.
Yeah. Okay. TDS session PR. It's on PRs, right? So we'll create this repo. I'll be the owner for this. Anything else do I need? Not really. Okay. So get in it. And so guys, what I'm doing is I'm just we will be pushing this to remote. Okay, so I'll just be adding for now git add main.py. Okay, and I'll be adding it to I think it's in the branch. Which branch is it? And it's in master. So it's fine if it's in master. We don't want anything else. We can just commit directly from here, but I don't want to do it in the first one. Git commit m added initialized. Let's say initialized. Okay, and what we can do is we can just set this as our origin and we can push it. Okay, and I think okay, what's happening? Mm, why am I not able to open my code base? Okay, that's pretty weird. I'm not able to. Mm, I'm not able to go away from this tab. Just one second. Let me try to move it somewhere else and then open it here. Something weird that happened. Let me just push it to master. Yeah, it's on master now. And I'll just go to this desktop. Just refresh it. Now you can see this thing, right? It's you can view this over here in your screens as well. So what we'll be doing to this is we'll be creating a pull request. All right. So does any of you guys know what a pull request is?
We, we we actually pull from the main server, the remote server to our machine.
Hmm?
Pull
We
request
actually
means
pull the code from
So
the
when
remote
when when
origin to our
when
machine.
when some code is in the some branch and you want to
Mhm.
merge with another branch, then we see the pull request and compare and merge. Is it like that?
It's basically
I
like, let's
think
say
you.
everyone is working on something, right?
Yeah.
Let's say someone is working on some question, some other person is working on some other question, right? In
Hmm.
that case, pull requests really help you a lot. Okay, so what happens is, let's say I am like, let's say there's a main repository. Okay, now let's say Shrikant is given some tasks to debug, like to push, like to fix a bug. Okay, and let's say Satya is given a task to add a feature. So both will work in parallel, right? But what happens is you don't want like to push directly to master branch, the main branch, the branch that is deployed, that is in prod, right? Because sometimes what happens is things break and you don't want it to break in the main branch. You want, if something wrong happens, you want it to break in somewhere else, right? Somewhere else that is not, that is safe. Are you understanding me?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is why we prefer working on different branches. And now let's say I can just create a branch from here. I go over here, or I can just do git checkout hyphen b and let's say new branch. Okay, I can do anything, or I can do simply from here. It's basically the same thing. Okay, for now I'll just I don't I think I'll just I don't want any of these three right now. Discard these three files, and then now I can go to a new branch. Let's say first PR, right? Uh, uh, uh. Now let me just, I want to create the system prompt now. Okay, let me just open this and now let's open the, oh, I missed one thing. That is the env file. I don't want to push this, so I'll be creating a .git ignore file, which will not let me push my env. .env, sorry. .env file. Over here, I'll just have my API key. Where is my API key? Gemini API key is equals to
But you have pushed the env file earlier, na, in the GitHub.
no, it's you should never push any env file to GitHub.
Okay. Okay.
I did not. I just added this main file.
Okay.
I
Only.
did not add this. But now, even if I do add all, right, you will never see it in my working tree. You'll see git ignore, but you won't see the env file.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
is that
Yes.
understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now let's do one thing,
So just one
right?
question is that once we have done with the feature, or once we have finished debugging, then we should merge the branch. And then again, if some other work comes, then we should start in the new branch, or that we should keep on using the earlier branch only.
It
What should be
depends
the
on how
practice?
your company, it depends on how your organization works. So some will have, like, let's say, if it depends company to company, I would say. Like in one of the places I've worked, I had my own branch, Sujal Dev. It was named Sujal Dev. I used to work there and push it, but currently it's like feature based. So I have different branches which I have different features. So
Okay.
it depends. And also, like, you can have any number of branches. Nobody cares about the number of branches you have as long as you're getting the work done. Okay. So let me
Okay.
just create a system prompt. Okay. Dot txt, not tt, txt. So what do we want this chatbot to be like? Let me see. What? Well, give any ideas for the prompt, guys? Any ideas for the prompt? I'll just import it till then. With open system file dot txt system prompt dot read system prompt. I'll
Prompt
just
for
give
what purpose? For what purpose prompt we should give here?
for anything actually. Like
Only
you
okay.
can
Just
keep
to
it
test.
me just to make something. That's it. Nothing
Okay.
as I
Okay.
know complex.
Okay.
Just give me anything. I don't have anything that's coming to my mind right now. That's why I'm saying anything, guys. Okay. You know what? I'll do one thing. Okay. So, folks in today's session. Okay. So this chatbot is basically to record attendance of students in today's session. We have Shrikant, Satya. Who else is there? Saurabh Agarwal. Agarwal. Okay. Now, what I will do is now in this branch, right? I have these three things. I'll commit. I'll stage them. Okay. I'll stage all of them. Create a commit over here itself. I can do it from here as well. I can do it from here as well, and then I'll push it. Okay, so now it has no remote branch. I'll just do okay. Now, if I go to my thing over here, I'll see that I had a PR push 4 seconds ago, right? So I'll be able to see it, and now I can do compare and pull request. See, I can compare and pull the request. I can generate a summary of my pull request. Everything can be done by will be done by AI. You don't even need to do anything. Okay, so I can see the files that were changed. I imported this thing. I imported uh, git ignore, and also I did this thing. So I can see everything in this thing. So I can create a pull request, right? I can create it, and it will just tell me if it is mergeable or not, right? So I can easily merge it. So uh, these three things you will learn as you go. Okay, so basically what this does is in merge commit, right? You'll in one PR you'll have hundreds of commits sometimes, right? And not hundreds, that's a bit of exaggeration. Let's say 10, 15, and all of that. Okay, so when you push it to master, you don't want all of that. Like this is enough, right? This commit is enough, this much is enough, right? But sometimes if you do that, then you'll see everything that is over here in your master as well, so that makes the thing a lot more clogged.
Sir,
Okay,
what makes it? How is it finding that there is no conflict in the code?
basically it checks the files. Okay, so let's say you are working on something and I'm working on the same thing. Let's say I'm also working on define chat and you're also working on define chat, and if we are both touching data.json, this line, okay, you have one change and I have one change,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
it's not, we are working on the same thing, and the logic is different for both. So in that case there will be a merge conflict, and in that case you have to import those things and like solve it locally. You cannot just like make change. That gets a bit of a headache. So people usually tend to work on different stuff. Okay, now I can easily merge this pull request, squash, or rebase. Okay, so basically this will just merge all the commits. These two will basically just do one commit, and that's this. You'll just see this. Okay, so for now, remember this.
Pardon. Other two, what will do? This squares
Other
and
two
one.
will just, okay, I'll just show you. Okay, so let me
Yeah,
just make one more commit.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Please.
let's add Sojal. Okay, Sojal was the T. Sojal was the T. Was the T, and
So you are pushing pull request to your own repository, no?
yeah,
Yeah. Other
commit.
can also push a pull request, right?
Yeah, that's why I've given you the
Hmm.
PR link.
Okay.
Sorry, the
Okay.
Repo link.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now as you can see, there's two commits, right? Now with this, what I can do is I can have multiple commits again and again, right? Again and again, right? So now let's have remove secret. Let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Right? I don't want this. I don't want this, and I'll just do it. I will. No, not this. Stage comment, commit and push. Right? If I go back, I'll see one more commit over here. See, three commits. Now just imagine how many commits will be there for one feature. There will be a lot of commits, right? And also you'll have like comments on your code, like someone can say that I don't like this, I don't like the name, I don't like the name, or like let's say they suggest a different logic, let's go with this logic, let's go with this logic, right? So obviously you'll have to make changes and push them again. So when you do that, you'll have a lot of commits, and because of that you cannot just do merge pull request. So what does this is all commits. So just imagine so many commits will make this entire code commit, this this one very clogged. Okay, too much. So I'll just show you once.
I have a question. Suppose
Just
we merge and commit some pull request, and our code gets changed, and we want to test that code. After that, suppose it is not working or like that, then can we go to the back one? What we are already having
yeah,
previous
you
one.
can basically cherry pick things, you can basically revert branches as well. If
Okay,
you
it is
can
there.
see
It
the
is
comments.
okay. Option is
Right.
there. You can revert.
Yes, so Git version control is one of the most interesting things when it comes
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
computer science. Okay, so when I merge this request, I will get this thing. I can just confirm the merge,
Hmm.
and if I go here and see, I have so many commits, right? From the first PR.
Yeah.
I have one commit that is this, then another commit, then one more commit that I merged this thing.
Hmm.
See, so because of one feature, I have four commits. Now let's say I add another feature, right? Now let's say this feature is for let's say name of students. Okay, name of students. Let's say students name students. Let's create a list. A student. This right now. Let's do a app dot get app dot route students get just unify students. Yeah. So I am adding a new feature now, right? I cannot. Okay. Now one more thing. I have deleted the branch, or I can just uh, go back to my master branch. So always what happens is you check out to you always branch from the master branch. Okay, so master branch will always be the source of truth, right? You won't like branch out from someone else's work, right? Like an uncompleted branch. You always do it from the branch that is stable, that is working, that is in production or dev at least, right? So one thing is, let's say I made some changes and I want to go to a different branch. What I can do is I can just stage it, stash all changes, right? I can say, let's say TDS stash, TDS stash, right? Uh, push stash, right? Now it will go into my stash. I could have just done git stash as well, but I find this way much more convenient and also easier. So I can just go to my master branch. Now I will see one thing when it comes to master, that if I do git fetch origin, right, I will see that there have been changes done to master, right? What were the changes done to master? See this pull request, right? This got merged, and now I can pull 4 commits from origin master. Can you see this? Hey guys, am I going a bit too fast, or
Yes.
is it
Yeah.
understandable? Right, understandable. So I need to pull those changes. If you see, it's still in the
No,
place where we left.
could you explain once again how we are moving from master to this branch once again?
Yeah, so I'm in master now, but the thing is, I am still in the master where I started creating the PR from. Now, what I want to do is I have come to the master and see this when I did git fetch origin, it fetched all the latest changes
Hmm.
from the origin, right? And you can see that there had been a merge pull request, right?
Hmm.
But this is not in the main branch. This is in the
It's in the
other
main,
branch.
it's in the master branch, right? I merged that PR.
Master is the main branch, no? Same, no?
No, like for now, let's say master, okay, not main or whatever.
Master or
Let's
main is normally same, no?
no. Sometimes
Oh.
it's just a naming convention at the end of the day.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes
I
we
can call
see it is main, sometimes we
Master,
see master.
origin, main.
it's not sometimes, it's whatever you set it to. Okay, so I
By
could have
default,
named this. I can
what by
change this.
default? No, why by
Yeah,
default comes?
by default it's master.
Okay,
Yeah. But if I
okay.
just do git branch m name, then it will set the name differently. Okay, so now I have to pull these changes. Okay, so I can do two things. I can do git pull, okay, or I can do this. Okay, you can do rebase as well, but that's if that's for like that's a bit more advanced topic, right? So what I'll do is I'll just pull from here. Okay, I pull the changes and now I can see the changes, right? See, I can see the changes. Now, let's do one thing. I had stashed some changes. So what I'll do is I'll do Command Shift P, right? And I'll do apply stash. And I'll see that I had stashed, it's a TDS stash just 2 minutes ago. I'll apply it. I'll see this change, right? I'll stage it. I'll write a commit, right? For before that, we'll create a new branch. Okay. Let's name the branch SRP. SRP. I mean,
What we have achieved by doing is stash.
stash is
We are
basically whatever changes we have, right? Like, let's say if I want to check out to a different branch right now, right? Okay, sorry, I pushed this by mistake. Did I? No, it did not change it did not push it. Now, if I want to change to a different branch right now, let's say master, I will be allowed, but okay, just a second. Ah, okay. So if I try to change to first PR or what is the logic again? Okay, yeah. So let's say if I just, try to switch to a branch that does not have this, all of this already, right? It won't allow me to switch the branch then and there. Okay.
it will not allow the checkout thing. That the
Yeah,
checkout
it won't
command will
allow me
not
to
work.
check out. It won't allow me to check out. So in that case, I will be doing the stash. So it's like basically temporarily storing it somewhere, stash, and
Okay,
then I can basically apply it. That's it.
okay.
Okay, so now I'm in SRP branch, right? I can just create the commit, I can stage it, I can then push it, right? I'll just create 3 4 more commits. Okay, let's add some more students. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so let's have this many students, stage it, and again push it. All right, now if we go over here into pull requests, I don't think we have a pull request. You have to create a pull request from SRP branch, right? I'll just create this, generate this, create a pull request, and you will see that I have two commits, right? Able to see this, guys? Able to see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Now, I don't want, now let's say there's like thousands of commits, right? Like again, I push a commit, there will be 10, 20 commits. I don't want this, my master commit history to be this clogged. I want to see which PR was pushed when, which bug was fixed when. I don't want to see all of these small things, right? So just small features, small things I don't want to see. I want to see things that actually pinpoint me, right? So what I can basically do is I can basically choose any of these two things. So these two things, you go ahead and see what is what does what, okay? But for now, just remember this will have like all the commits, right? But this will combine it, okay? So squash and merge. For now, let's go with squash because rebase is a bit more advanced, okay? So I can just say add students endpoint to the list, okay, and confirm squash and merge. Now I just delete this branch. If I go into code and if I go into commits, see, I was just able to get the second pull request and also get it only instead of two commits, instead of 10 commits, instead of 15 commits, I just have one commit for that in my tree now. Is this understood, guys?
So is it something like we are packing every PR into one?
Yep. It's
Okay.
combining everything into one commit instead of five commits. See, this one PR had three commits, but it added one more commit that was the merging one, but this one did not. See?
So what you shared to us, the GitHub, your link,
Yeah.
suppose we make a pull request, then that will be visible to you, and
Yeah,
you
it
will.
will be possible. You can try making a PR right now itself.
Okay, okay. Let me try. Where to give that?
Okay, share your screen. I'll guide you.
Okay, I'm sharing this.
So for that he has to first fork it, then
Not really,
clone
not
it.
required, not required, not required.
Let us do one by one because pull request is required to learn right now.
Yeah, it's actually the most important topic
Most important
because
part. So we have to
nowadays
learn.
AI can write code for you.
Yeah, I
But
have shared it.
when it comes to doing PRs and stuff, AI is
Hmm.
not bad. It's still good, but not as good. Okay, so do one
I,
thing. Go
I
to
I
code.
can this
No, no,
this
no,
one
no, no.
is the link, no?
First, go to code.
Code. Okay, right.
No, 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 no. The green one.
Okay, this code. What is the
Yeah.
difference with this code and this code? Tell me.
Find out for yourself.
Okay, fine.
Go to local.
Local.
Yeah. Now do that copy thing over here on HTTPS. The copy thing. Yeah. And now go to your code, any code.
Sir, in this, I mean, here I have a question. So if we configured his system with SSH, will it work if he copies
Depends
like
on how you've set the public and private keys. If your private key is able to log in with your public key, then yeah. I personally don't like use the SSH convention much. I stick to HTTPS more. So
Your
open your
yes.
computer, Satya. Sorry, Shrikant.
Yeah, which main pie?
No, no, no. I want to see a code editor.
Okay, just a minute. VS Code.
but Linux
Yes.
Linux I mean in Linux you can't use HTTPS.
Are you sure? I have.
Yes, sir, I have tried that. That's why I
Not
have
really.
configured.
No, no, no. Git clone thing, right? Are you talking about the
Yeah.
Git clone?
Yes, sir.
No, no, no.
Yes.
You can actually use it. I have used it when I had. I was on the same system, Ubuntu Mint. Currently, on my other device, I'm using Ubuntu, and I still am able to clone it. And also, I had my entire thing configured using HTTPS. There must be
Okay.
a way because Linux, when it comes to Linux, right, everything is built on top of Linux. I
But then
think that
you have to put password and username every time.
not no 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 Satya. There must be a way around because I'm not sure if you have heard of it or not, but whoever created GitHub, right? The reason why he created GitHub
Yeah,
was to maintain
same
his
person.
Linux versions. So it should be, I think, very compatible with Linux. Okay, so Shrikant, just go to your code editor.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can close the Chrome tab, not really required. Just make it full. The VS Code. Just full screen the VS Code. It will be more convenient for both of us.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, do Control J.
Control J.
Yeah,
Terminal. Terminal.
yeah. Now do git clone.
So we should go on the Ubuntu. Just a minute. Go to the
Mm,
Ubuntu, no, then because it will PowerShell will not work properly. Ubuntu is better. Is it no? Ubuntu is better, no?
Ubuntu will always be better than PowerShell. Like
Yeah,
I
Ubuntu
have
is configured.
personally
Yeah,
not
Ubuntu.
used PowerShell because I never heard good things about it. So
The
git clone.
folder is, but it is going to the this folder. Is
Do
it
cd dot dot
CD? Just a minute. Go
dot
to
dot.
the no, no. Let me go to the root folder.
Yeah.
I have that. I have that. Okay. Uh, CD.
Capital
Sorry,
C.
sorry. CD. Yeah, please. Okay, now proceed. Yeah, what to
Yeah, now
git,
you can do git clone copy paste.
git clone and
Uh, Control V space Control V.
okay, what we copied there, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Do it.
and enter
Yes, please.
git clone.
Yeah. Now cd TDS tab tab.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Go to a backspace and do tab. What is the
I
name
did.
of the repo? What is the
I
name of the repo? TDS in capital letters.
okay, okay. TTS and then
Yeah.
tab.
Tab again.
Okay, tab again. It is not moving after tab.
Just do ls once. Remove everything and do ls. Yeah, go into TDS session PR.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, now open this directory. Do code again. You'll code there over there directly. Go there. Go do code again. Pretty sure this opens up, right? If we do code in Ubuntu over here.
Code, no?
Mm, try it
Space
out
dot.
once. Space dot, yeah.
Code dot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not sure if he has configured this.
No, it will open.
Yeah, it's configured. Yeah. Now yeah, now change anything in system prompt. Anything you like. Anything you like in the file, you can change it.
Suppose I go to the system, it will be disturbed, no?
Yeah, you can change anything in the file. Right? This was edited by Shrikant.
Okay,
Yeah.
just editing by Srikanth. Just okay, one line, no problem.
Yeah, now go and switch the saved it. Now go down. Where you see master, you see master, you see master like bottom left.
Okay, here, okay, yeah.
Yeah, click on that. Create new branch.
Create new branch.
Now name your branch Shrikant.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter.
Now the
Yeah,
branch
now
name is
go to that fork thing below the search button. You'll have a fork icon.
Search.
Do the search button. See left side. Left, 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 go left. Yeah,
This
search.
work. Okay.
Yes, source control. Yes. Now, add your changes. Do the plus one. Plus. Just below there. Yeah, plus. No, you can add a comment of your own, or you can do generate by AI. I think generate by AI is
Pardon.
fine.
Pardon.
You can
What you
add a
told?
comment.
Okay,
Add your
here, no?
comment. Yeah. Yeah, commit and push. Right. You do, yeah. This way you just commit and now you can publish the branch. It will push
Publish,
to
no?
remote. It means it will push to remote. Right now you have just, oh, you haven't signed in to GitHub, is it? Allow. Yes, sign in.
It will ask, no?
Is this
You
your
have to
GitHub
sign.
ID? Yeah, you can just sign in. Enter. If this is your ID, then you can enter.
Here you can, okay, this is ID.
Yeah. You don't have permission. Would you like to create a fork and push instead? Yeah, you can do it.
Create
Let me
fork.
just no, for now just to cancel. I'll give you the access for it. Wait.
It,
Once.
it is required to be permitted from your side or my side.
I have to give you the permissions. Wait,
Okay,
I'll
okay,
give you the
okay,
permission.
okay. Just show your screen also so that we can where to give permission, because
I think that would take really long time.
okay, fine.
Because it's just
Like,
one simple thing. You'll do that in MAD 1, MAD 2 and stuff.
yeah,
So
we did it, but at that time we do not practically did it, just learned it and passed.
just
So,
one
sir,
But
second.
this time,
I have cloned that and modified the that file. I added a line actually, and
Just
now what I
give me your email the GitHub IDs, guys. I'll just add you as collaborators onto that
okay,
repo.
I'm just giving my
Satya, please paste your ID as well. Satya IITM.
21 F2 30357.
Added you, Satya. You must have received a mail. You don't have to add the entire ID, just a GitHub ID, Sir Shrikant. Not your
Okay,
student ID. I think 21 F2, that much is fine, not required. Just enter that one. Just enter. I'll just do it.
okay.
yeah got a mail, sir. Now
You got the mail now. Accept it. Hey Shrikant,
mail
I've added you as a collaborator as well. You have to accept the invite. You have to go to your mails and accept the invite.
accept invitation. Yeah, accepted it.
Accepted it, Shrikant? Hey Shrikant, are you there?
Just waiting. Perhaps it is loading. Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, except I
I'm
have
audible.
sent you a mail. You must have received it.
Yeah. Now it came. In such a way, we have to accept it. View invitation. It will open. Accept invitation. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is very much required to learn.
Yeah.
Now,
Now you have
okay,
access. See? Now go to your VS Code and now push it. Try pushing it now.
okay. Publish branch.
Yeah, publish it. See? It published. Now
Okay,
go to now open a repository.
this one, no?
So, sir, now in this case, you have added us as a collaborator, but in the project one, in one question, I think the question is question number third. So they're asking us to do a peer. So in that case, how it will be? Because
So now that I've taught you, you have to go and figure out. Okay. This was we
Suppose
had.
okay,
This is
suppose here you want to go, then we directly can go here from this, or you have to go my own project.
no. I'm saying just
Where?
go to your Chrome. Just go to to your Chrome on GitHub.
Mhm.
Now, if you see, you have a pull request. Now do compare and pull request.
Yeah, no, this is your GitHub. This is not mine.
Yeah, but this is the repo. That's it.
Okay, this is the repo of yours. What we have opened, right? Hmm.
Yeah, over here you will be working. So let's say
Okay.
you're working for an organization. They will give you the repo access, and you will be able to branch
Yeah.
out from
You
it.
are the organization. You have
Go
given
to
the
compare and pull request.
with the request we have compare and pull.
Yes. There.
I am testing.
You
Yeah.
can do anything now. Yeah. See, now it's able to merge. Now you can just go
Yeah.
down and do create pull request.
Create pull request.
Yeah.
Then what it is creating? It is creating a pull request that will send to you.
Yeah. Now I can see it on my screen as well.
Just a minute. Okay.
See now, just turn off your screen sharing.
Okay. Just a minute.
Now, Shrikant,
Yeah.
the
You show
best thing
your.
about Git is now the best thing about Git is we can do work in collaboration, right? So let's say you have pushed a feature, but something is missing, right? Something is missing, something is like not working, right? Let's say let's say you forgot to add your roll number, and let's say you went to sleep. Okay, but I need to submit this code.
Okay. Fine.
Now let's say my team wants to submit this code, so I'll comment on your PR. Okay, now if you see, I'll have a comment over here, right? Now what
Yeah.
I can do is, since you're down, okay, I will do one thing. I'll go to my repo. I will find your pull request. I'll do git fetch origin. Git fetch origin. See, I'll see your thing. Now I'll go to your git. Just do check out to your branch. Check out Shrikant, right? And
Mm-hmm.
from here, what I'll do is I'll add your what is your roll number? 21F. Uh,
21 2
zero,
double
uh,
zero double zero
got
1357.
yeah, got it. Now I'll just do this at the rate ds.study.itm.ac.in. I'll do this, right? I will push this immediately, right? Push this.
Yeah.
Now what I have here is I have pushed one more commit. See, on your branch, I am pushing a commit, and what I can do is, whenever you come, right, I might have done a lot of changes, but I can show you that over here I have done this change. So I can just comment this, and you can see that I have added this change. Okay, so if I do this, click this, then you will see the file that I
Okay.
changed as well.
When
See,
I will that code, I will click that code, then it will open, right?
yeah. Now just you can share your screen again.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Just a minute. Let me see.
Share your screen.
Yeah. On
Yeah.
my Git.
Now, see, go down.
Yeah.
See, I added, do refresh once.
Yeah. Just.
Refresh it. Go down. See, now you can,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. That will be visible to me, and then I will click it. Should I
yeah,
click it?
yeah, click it, please.
Then that will be shown to me. Ki this changes you have made, right?
Yeah, see,
Mm.
go down.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Now
I
go
am
to your
just.
code editor. Go to your code editor.
Yeah. he- Here.
Yeah. Now do Control J. Open your terminal.
Terminal. Control J.
Do git fetch origin.
Git fetch origin.
Enter.
enter. Then it
Now
will
do
go to my origin, right? Where it is
no, it is
origin.
pulling the latest changes from what was done in the remote. Remote means the internet, okay? Whatever was pushed there.
Okay,
So do git
what
pull now. Now do git pull.
git pull. Now it pulled to our code, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Git fetch origin went to the internet and git pull it comes to our code editor.
Yeah, it downloads basically.
Again, if I want to change something, then again same process I will repeat, right?
You can just now change anything and push.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference between fetch and pull?
Fetch is basically like, let's say, so let's say Srikant's pushed a lot of changes, okay? But what happens is you have to fetch to get the latest change. Okay, so until and unless you do fetch, you won't know what's changed on the internet. It will still have like, let's say I made some changes at 10 a.m. Right? You did the get
Hmm.
fetch origin at 10 a.m. You'll see that changes of 10 a.m. only. And even if you don't do get fetch origin up till 12:30, 2 p.m., there might be a lot of pushes to the origin. You won't see the changes unless and
Okay.
until git fetch origin. And what git pull does is it pulls all the changes, whatever has been done. Understood?
It pulls a pull again. Can you
Pull means it
again tell me what?
basically downloads,
Downloads. Okay.
updates.
It pulls from our repository to our VS Code editor. Is it
From the origin, not our repository, from the origin.
okay for or from origin?
Patch will only show us the difference, and then pull will download the file.
Fetch, no,
Is
no,
it?
no, 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 no. What fetch
Okay.
is doing is, let's say there is a lot of things on the internet, right?
Hmm.
There will be a timestamp. It's not like asynchronous, okay? It's not like your remote and local are in sync every time, okay?
Okay.
So for them to be in sync, you have to do the git fetch origin.
Okay.
That's it. Got it?
It is doing this one, no?
Okay. Just
It is
just
updating this.
make your terminal a bit bigger, Shrikant. I think we can just explain it from your terminal itself. Make your terminal a bit bigger. Terminal. Yeah. See, git fetch origin. What it is doing is total 3 delta 2. You reuse. You don't have to see all that. See, from Shrikant to origin Shrikant, we pushed one commit, so it fetched that. Okay, and what
Okay.
it
Yeah,
did is it inserted one line of code and deleted one line of code. So one file changed. You can see it.
this one, right?
Yeah.
It,
So
it,
git
it,
fetch, okay, git pull is not pulling the request, and like git fetch will show you, not show you, it updates whatever data has been updated, and git pull downloads it into your system, like it updates it into your system.
yeah, so that we can edit it and do something like that, right?
Yeah.
Pack reused and zero from zero. Okay, this 100% 3 of 3. Now I
In
have
the
to
one question is there in the Git pull, you pull the code of your branch only, na? In the branch you are working as of now.
Yeah. In good, if it was in master, we would have pulled the changes in master. But right now, is it
Okay.
Shrikant? Got it?
Okay.
We can.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if there are multiple collaborators and they have made a changes, right?
Yeah.
Then Git pull will show all the changes.
Git pull will not show all the changes. Git fetch will show all the changes, whatever changes has been done. But Git
Git
only updates from a specific branch. Okay, so whatever is the latest commit, it will pull from there.
fetch
okay, only
origin.
latest, not by all, right?
No. It will pull the latest commit only, not that. Unless and until you want to do it from a specific commit head.
Suppose one project and multiple collaborators are there,
Yeah.
and right. And if we are fetching, will it show all the changes?
It will show all the changes. Fetch will show all the
And pull will show the changes by everyone.
pull will update the changes. Fetch will show all the changes. Okay, but pull will
And
just show the changes that is done to that specific branch you are on. It will just update it. Fetch will show and pull will update in your local. In
Update
your
means download.
yeah, downloading.
Okay.
Code
All
is
the
downloading.
changes will be downloaded, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, this is the previous one. This code, and this is the current one. Is it this one? What
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah. Those
click,
are
right?
the you can verify it from GitHub.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And
Now,
this is okay. Now I changed it.
yeah,
One
now
line
you
again.
have to add it.
Again,
Add it.
I have added it. This
No,
line.
no, no, no. You have committed.
No,
You have
git
saved
add.
it. Git stage,
Git
stage.
add.
Yeah, you can do git
How
add
to
as
get
well.
a space?
Terminal. You can do it
Git
from the
add, git
terminal.
commit, and git push, right?
Git add.
All.
Yeah, you can just do it from your terminal, your GUI. Go to changes.
Here.
Over there, just do add. Over there, plus sign. Yeah, and now you can just write a commit just to the one that is above. No, no, no,
Add
not.
means the file was added, right? And
Yeah, no,
push.
no. You have to write a comment. You can just generate the
Yeah.
comment as well over there. There's an AI button. You can generate it from there.
Okay, this one.
Yeah,
Okay, it will generate comment. Okay.
yeah,
Add confirmation to system prompt. Add confirmation statement to system prompt.
yeah.
It
Now
is
click the
okay. No?
drop down. Click the drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Drop down.
Commit,
And
commit,
push.
commit,
Commit and push.
commit and push. It will send there, right?
Directly it will do it.
It will directly go to you.
It will directly go to origin.
Okay. And
Now go to your browser now.
yeah,
Now go to conversation.
conversation. Okay.
Yeah. Now go down.
Here, from the this code also, I can now request for the merge also. As of now, that I suppose I pushed it and now I want you to merge it from to the main branch.
Mm-hmm. You can try it, Shrikant.
So
You can try merging it.
here, should I refresh it?
You can refresh it.
It will come now here.
Down, go down. See, add confirmation statement. Yeah, you can try doing that. But usually it is like whoever is maintaining, you can do it. It's just to add
Okay, okay,
conversation. Yeah, just you can do the merge request. Honestly,
okay. Here, no?
Yeah,
Merge pull request, confirm merge.
yeah.
This is the comment, and I will see there.
See, it's merged now. No, no, no. You have added the comment over there itself. It's not a comment for the comment merging. Now
Okay,
go to code. Now go to code. Go to master branch. Go to code. Up, up, up. Go up, go up, go up. Go to code. Now, if you see the commit, go to commit. Commit. 10 commits. Below the code, green button. Below the green button.
here.
Below the green button. Commits. 10 commits. You can see that. Below the green code button, you will see 10 commits. Please click
Yeah,
on that.
this commits.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
click it.
Please do.
Click commits. Okay,
Hey,
all the
you can.
commits. I am testing PR. Okay, this is coming. These all codes are there, right?
These are the ones that you made changes to. So you successfully raised
Okay,
a PR and also merged it into your branch.
okay,
Got it? And yeah, obviously in this one, I have not set any
okay,
specific requirements as to like who can merge it or not. But
okay.
ob-
That's why it is all is coming, right?
no, no, no.
This
You
all
did a
this
merge
all.
commit. You did a merge commit. That's why every commit is being shown. If you had done the a rebase or the squash, only one commit would have been shown.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
We will try it at our own. So that two.
sure. Anyone, Satya, did you try raising a PR?
No, sir.
Okay, but the concept is understood by all, right?
Yeah, we will do by the two GitHub commits. We will do experimentation. Okay,
Yes,
because
please.
it was
It's for your
yeah.
project.
Mhm. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay.
Sure, no worries. So I'll be stopping the recording. Any
Yeah, so nice.
If we want to revert to the old commit, no, we have to click on the commit, then we can get the code, or how?
Yeah, then you can basically git revert and then commit ID. That's it. It's not that difficult. You can basically do git reset hard origin as well. There's a lot of other ways to, like go to a
Yeah.
specific commit. So it's basically called cherry picking.
This is the main thing what we did to the pull and just push so that we can communicate to each other to the master, right?
You can, yeah. So it's basically to branch from the master branch and create your own feature and then push it.
Correct. Okay.
Basically, that's it. Okay.
Should I stop sharing?
Yes, please.
Because
So just one thing that if we revert or do something like that, then if other people are maintaining history and they are working over it, then will it will not create a mess for them? How it will
Uh,
work?
revert itself is a commit now. Deleting commits is itself a commit now. Deleting files itself in it a commit. It's a commit now.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, the thing is, everything you do will be on a different branch. The main branch will always be, like well maintained. Like
Okay.
most organizations don't let you work on the main branch. Forget about pushing, they won't even let you, let's say, just you won't be able to make any direct changes to master or main branch.
That will be done by the person who is mainly coordinating the whole
Usually, the
things.
teams and senior engineers usually they do it because sometimes like the main branch, like once you push into like, there's a lot of branches in the same repo. One will be for testing, one will be for dev, one will be for prod. So, you are like given your own branch to
But
work on, or
but
you can create your own branch. That's not a problem, but you merge into the first branch that is usually into dev or QA. Usually it's in dev, and then it goes into beta and alpha, and every company has their own standards of testing.
okay.
So, yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for the session. I hope you guys liked the session, and yeah.
nice session, thank you. Because some hands-on is required to do. Without that, we are not.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
feedback.
you. Thank you very much. Lot of time. Thank you.
No, it's fine. It's not a
We
problem.
took so much time, but we learned it.
No, 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 no. Being out of time is never going to be a problem for
Yeah.
me. Please,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
that
very much.
is
Thank
my
you.
job to do this.
Good night.
Please.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye.